Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Budi and hello everyone. My name is Ravi pratama from UPIA Faculty Psychology, student number 21240900052. This time I will do present how Google Apps play an important role in student life. Google have become widely accepted search engine performance science at its inception in 1998. It has transformed the way we study, take every challenge, and embracing a variety of practice for innovation. With the rapid development and educational accessibility, there has been a significant change in adopting apps-based education. Also, one who use these apps correctly, a spectrum of competing apps is present in the market, including iOS apps, Google apps, OneDrive apps, Chromebooks, and any more. Most of the apps allow navigation of content with taps, finger zoom, or finger swipes. Understanding role of Google Apps in education. GAFE is most powerful cloud integrated platform works no matter where student live or using its device. This platform enables thousands of students to access the quality of education with collaborative tools with a primary focus of enhancing the traditional way of teaching and learning. Google Apps and tools enabling faculties and students to work in Nexus virtual on document, reports, presentation, and project. This predominantly helps in making cloud-based website complement to traditional instruction for delivering and affecting course in lifetime. Only in United States, the top educational apps are found to be Google Classroom, ClassDojo, Remus apps, Safe Classroom apps for sharing video, conducting lecture, and providing a message. Google Classroom has topped among the survey and majority 16% growing in app downloading that is expecting to grow by 150% in upcoming month. As per online assessment help expert, its growth is stable only because unique feature Google tries to deliver every time and making learning more effective. In addition to this, most popular Google tools such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Group, Google Plus, Google Sheets, and Google Drive have been developed, having specially targeting business and education. Role of GAFE or Google Apps in student life. The adoption of Google Apps allow for use group to share content via wikis, Google Docs, Google Form, and Google Sheet. A typical example is how students use Google Forum to conduct a survey, facilitate as of collaboration and drawing statistics to draw consulate. Users gain the ability to add calendar interesting directly from the Gmail account. Let's move ahead to explore the critical role Google plays in student life. And conclusion, we have started this blog by signifying how Google has achieved massive success over some time and penetrating deep into the education sector. There we extract a significant growth has been seen in Google Apps install and utilization for sharing document, drive, video, for transforming learning and teaching all together. In the next section, we have tried to present a chart of evidence to highlight the growing rate of gift abduction in the education system by searching static adopting from onion source. Later on, we demonstrating how many universities in America are accepting on Google Apps or partners with the company to make learning dynamic and interactive. At last, in the blog, we have chosen the role of Google Play in education, but illustration key points us as of Google Apps allow various groups to share content via wikis, Google Docs, Google Form, and Google Sheet. Also, it facilitates both communication and collaboration in order to optimum productive in the limited time span. And finish my presentation. There are mistakes. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.